Hello guys, I'm Rogel Christian Barshal of BSA MT4-5 and I'm gonna teach you how to marshal an aircraft. Let's go! So whenever an aircraft lands, we always see these people with neon visors, vests, and light sticks. They are Yes, we are the aircraft marshalers. Whenever an aircraft lands, we are the ones responsible in ensuring that the aircraft is safely parked and aligned on its designated area. So remember, when marshalling an aircraft, you need to wear high visibility clothes and the use of light sticks, especially at night, so they will see where they will go. And now, I will teach you how to signal an aircraft using arm signals. Let's go! So when an aircraft enters the ramp area, you need to let them know that this is the area that they will park in. This is the identify gate position. That position is to let them know that that is the area they will park in. And now that the pilot knows where to park, you need to instruct them to go straight ahead, like this. So not all aircrafts are greatly aligned with the line on the ramp. So there is a specific signal in which we will point left and right direction. So when you want to instruct the pilot to turn right, here is the signal. To turn left, so when the aircraft is parallel with the line, we need to perform a normal stop, just like this. We need to build an X symbol. This means that the aircraft should stop on the line. So in the event of emergency, we perform the emergency stop signal, just like this. So the variation with the normal stop signal is that we perform an X signal with the sticks. But in an emergency situation, we put our left hand above the right hand. Like this. Once the aircraft has stopped, we need to ensure that all brakes are set. This is the set brake signal. Two sticks down. Close. On the other hand, when releasing the brakes, it's inverted. So when the aircraft brakes are all set, we need to let the pilot know that we are putting the chocks on. This is the chocks insertion signal. So when the aircraft is all set for departure, we need to let the pilot know that we removed the chocks. This is the chocks remove signal. So we hold the sticks the inverted way, like this. After the chocks are removed, we need to instruct the pilot on starting the engines. So first, we need to start the right engine and then the left. This is the signal for the right start engine. And now to the left. We also cut engine power in an event of an emergency. To cut the right engine, so when an aircraft is lining up too fast, we need to slow them down. This is the slow down signal. So after all the marshalling has been done and all is cleared and ready for taxi, we need to say to the pilot that it's all cleared. So this is the signal. So in an event of fire emergency, we tell the pilot which engine caught fire, and this is the signal. So if the left engine caught fire, if the right engine caught fire, so if you want to instruct the pilot to hold or to stand by, this is the position. So when an aircraft is all set and ready for dispatch, we make a farewell signal. Shocks down, salute, down. So now we head on to the signals we used on using the ground equipments. So when informing the pilot that we had used the APU or we had connected the ground power unit, this is the signal. So when we disconnected the ground power unit or the APU, this is the signal. So those are the signals we use when marshalling the aircraft on the ramp area. I hope you learned many things from my discussion. Have a great day.